Hey guys, what's up? In this video, you are gonna learn about IPv6 and its header format. So, let's get started. First off, what is IPv6? It is a 128-bit address. IPv6 address can form lot more than the IPv4 addresses. The IPv6 uses the hexadecimal numbers that are separated by colons. That is example like FE80 colon D4A8 colon 6435 colon D2D8 colon and D9F3B11. It's just an example. Let's look on to the header format of IPv6 header. Let it load up and I will zoom it. Okay. First, here you can see the 4 bits of version. It specifies the version of the IP address. It can be IPv6 or IPv4. Now, moving on to the next type, that is traffic class or priority. It is of 8 bits. It helps the router to handle the traffic based on the priority of the packet. If any congestion occurs, then the packet with least priority is discarded. Moving on to flow label. It is used to label the packets, which helps in reordering of the packets. Moving on to payload length. It indicates the total length of the payload, that is data and header. Next header. Next header meaning it indicates the type of extension header. What is hop limit? Hop limit is same as the time to live, in which a packet has only certain amount of time or certain amount of it has only access to a certain amount of network device it can travel. Example, if its hop limit is 28, then it can only travel of about 28 devices, and if executes or if it exceeds the hop limit, then that packet is then discarded. Moving on to extension header, it tells the next header type of service used. You have learnt in next header that it indicates the type of extension header. So, extension header meaning it tells the next header type of service used. What is source address, destination address and extension headers all have explained in the previous video about IPv4. So, watch that. Note that the IPv4 uses address resolution protocol to map the MAC address. The IPv6 uses NDP meaning Neighbor Discovery Protocol to map to MAC address. Now, in the next video, we will take a deep look at 2 important layers, that is physical layer and data link layer. Until then, stay tuned.